arrange all these things and keep aside. So that when you have order, you just fetch. You don't delay. You understand what I'm saying? Yes. Okay, so please always remember to do your mise en place.
Mise en place. Just prepare. Getting ready for...
Yes, sir.
That means every blender we'll be using for this cocktail making should just be...
It's for fruit, anything, or smoothie, or... No.
Okay, you're right.
Are we there?
Yes.
You are trying to still estimate as well.
No.
I will stop. The next one. This one too. You just do this.
Some pineapple. Pini apple.
Are we together?
Let me taste it. Let me taste it.
When I finish. When I finish.
Must it be the only this one?
Hello.
Hi.
So I'm asking question.
So this is alcohol, something.
So what if you not get, you get another something to put?
Life is good.
Like a red wine.
There's one thing we have not added. Where? It's supposed to be crushed ice, but this one is not strong and is a bit smaller, so it's okay. Then you understand what I'm saying? Cold.
Can I look at
It's blending.
Pepper there.
Alcohol down.
Like this is now. They don't drink.
No.
I feel uncomfortable you snapping it because I need this way.
Makes sense.
Can you see? Either this way or the other way. Can you see? This one is hanging this way, the other one is hanging inside. Where is my straw? I gave somebody the straw. Yesterday. Give me that one.
15,000, 13,000, 10,000?
No.
Grenadine syrup.
Yes. No.
Grenade syrup.
Okay, syrup.